Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. First thing to note, you have very dark window tint here. It's 5%. And then you probably have, what, 30% on that front windshield with an eyebrow. So very, very dark. Got the off-road tires here. 295, 65, 20. All-terrain, KO2s. Got the fuel wheels. Looks good. Tire tread looks good. Looking at that fender, got the blackout here as well as there, and on the side mirror here on the caps. Fender looks good. You do have a deep gash right there, and then something kind of clipped it just here a little bit. A couple fingernail scratches kind of things. Got some scratches right there. Bed looks good. Those look nice. This looks like it popped out just a little bit. See that kind of gap? Some gashes here and chips. You have a dent here and a gash, a couple more chips. Another dent right here with some chips. These are pressed out. They're not clipped in. Your bed liner. Overall, that bed looks good. Rear looks nice. Got some scratches right here. Looks good. Fender looks nice. Overall, that wheel looks awesome. Some gashes right here, went all the way through. Typical rock chips on the front end. All very minor though. The rest of that looks good. Alright, checking out the engine bay. Just kind of scanning through all of that. Alright, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got your all-weather mats, black leather seats. No panel roof, console, looks good. Upper section looks nice. Those buttons look good. A couple chips on the plastic. Little scratches here, just from everyday getting in and out kind of thing. That liner's cracked in the middle there. Looking at that bolster, we got a little chip in here. That looks good. Upper side looks clean. Heated steering wheel, all the goodies there. Here on that door panel, looks incredible. Steps, you got a little scratch right there. That looks good. All weather mats. Seat looks nice. There is something kind of on the surface right there, just a little bit. Got the storage pocket, storage underneath. Looks really good. Here on that door panel, looks good. Do have a rip right here on that all-weather mat. Seat looks nice. Dash looks good, and then you do have a cracked windshield right there, if you can see that. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 50,851 miles on the odometer. Power steps, off-road wheel and tire, really dark window tint, non-smoker, black leather, and then the outside is a blackout package, so all the emblems are black. Everything looks really good. If you see any flickering on the screens here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. So far, the truck's driving really nice. No complaints with drivability yet. Shift's good. Checking out the alignment. I think it wants to pull a little bit to the right. Other than that though, drives awesome.